In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chime promo codes not working. So if a Chime promo code is not working, there are multiple different reasons. Number one, the code was entered incorrectly, or it expired, or your account isn't eligible. So here's how you're able to tell. The first thing you want to do is you want to double check the promo codes. Make sure that there is no extra spaces, typos, or missing characters. Promo codes are incredibly case sensitive as well. So that is something to know. If you notice that things aren't working, then you want to make sure that the capital and lowercase letters are also accurate as well. You also need to make sure that the offer is still active. So the thing is, some Chime promos expire after a certain date or after a limited number of uses. If the code came from social media, an email, or a third-party website, it may no longer be valid, or the account that actually gave you the code is no longer functioning, or maybe it got disabled or something like that. That is also going to play a factor and prevent the code from actually working. So most Chime bonuses require things like being a new Chime customer, opening a qualifying account, and receiving a qualifying direct deposit, often payroll or government benefits, and meeting a minimum deposit amount. So you will need to make sure that whenever you are trying to actually get a referral bonus, that the person you refer to actually uses Chime, that they use it for direct deposit and other things as well, so that you're able to get it. It's not enough to just make a Chime account and then that's it, you get a referral bonus. No, the person actually needs to use the account, they need to have direct deposit enabled, and they need to actually get funds inside of Chime. So that is something that Chime actually does require. And once again, you want to make sure that you actually do input the code correctly. So if you want to go ahead and get the code again, you want to press over here where it says profile, select on invite friends. Then you're able to go ahead and share your link just like so. So once again, it's always a good idea to give the person you are trying to invite an updated code and stuff like that. So those are some things to actually know. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.